Today I'm gonna show you how to calibrate PicoScope channel 1 and channel 2. So this is the most important thing. Before you use PicoScope any series, you have to make sure your channel 1 and channel 2, whatever channel 3, channel 4, all are calibrated. So then you can go for sample test. So first, this is the PicoScope 3000 series. So, and exactly what model is it, you can check here. This is the PicoScope 3403D. Today I am going to calibrate channel A and channel B. So for each of the channel I need a one probe. So for channel 1 I keep this one for channel A, and this one for channel B, this one for channel B, and this one for signal generator. Okay, so look, I already connected. This is the signal generator cable, and this is the end leg. Okay, and also connected channel A and the softwares. So you should be download what kind of device do you have. So I have 3403D, so I have to go the 3000 series D. So then I have to go 3403D, not MSO. I have only 3403D. So you see the software, this is the software. So this is the first one they recommended for us. So we need to download this software. I already download that software and install my laptop. So you have to download this software and install your laptop. Once you install your laptop, then look guys, I have already connected with my laptop with USB cable. This is the port. You should be connect here and the USB port of laptop. So then you might be see here there a little red light. Okay, so I need to turn on the PicoScope software. So this is the software, PicoScope software. Okay, okay, it's came already. So once it on the corner, you see it's on the top left corner is showing running, so that means it's running. And also you can check here if it's working well. The green light should be blinking. So for this device I have a 4 channel option and signal generator. On the corner here you see this is the signal generator. So channel A, channel B, channel C, channel D. So as I told you, right now I want to calibrate channel A and channel B, not C and D. So I gonna show you, but this is the way you have to calibrate all of them. So now I'm going to show you how to calibrate channel A, channel B, whatever, channel C, channel D. So you can continue. As I told you, this is the channel A, this is the channel A probe, and this is the earth, and this is the main signal connector with the signal generator, and the earth probe earth also connected with the signal generator earth. So this is the crocodile clip, it's connected here. Okay, so you should be connected like that. After that we are going to turn on the software. Is now start running. We should be calibrate A and signal generator. We gonna okay, signal generator. So before we start we can make it 1K. there are plus and minus symbols, so if you want you can increase, and if you want you can decrease. So after that, if you want to change the shape, yes, you can change. If you like square wave, you can make it square wave. Right now I want to make it square wave. Okay, so after that you can turn it on. Yeah, you can say here, but it's look like it's not stable, so I want to make it stable. But before make it stable, I make sure the probe setting is correct. We have to go the probe 1, and here you need to be make sure you have a, you know, there have 10x and 1x. You should be keep always 10x for the better, you know, the better function. Okay, then on the probe setting, channel A, you see the probes, then probes, there are option 1x, 10x and more, so I keep it 10x. Okay, right now is look like that. So then now we need to move on trigger for better adjustment. Okay, trigger is here, so we need to make sure it's auto, not manual. It should be keep auto. Okay, it's auto right now. So now we can move on trigger. Okay, trigger. So trigger, you see, so if mode is showing none, if I select auto, yeah, you see now it's trigger on the to the point in auto. After that, scope is the vertical adjustment. We can move up for horizontal adjustment, like, you know, whatever you want to make a time frame. So like, you know, I need a 20 microseconds, so you can put a 20 microsecond. If you want, you can 50, 200, whatever you want. So 500, so now I want to keep a 500. So if I want to keep a 500, look, it's not a calibrated before. So before calibration, you should have one like that. You should have one like that tools with this PicoScope. Okay, so what should you do? You have to come here, come down here. You see there have little hole, there have one adjuster. Okay, so you should be adjust here. You can, if you adjust here, you see is now, yeah, this is the one we are looking for. So yeah, this is the one. Like you should be twist here, like try to twist in right away, clockwise and anti-clockwise, but you can see the difference here. So after that, you make sure trial, like you should be adjust this one and as a trial and error method. So yeah, so probe 1, channel 1 now calibration done for channel 1. Now we are move on channel 2, same procedure. We can adjust also channel 2, same thing we have to do again. So that's it, the channel 2, that's it. So whatever, like if you have a channel A, B, C, D, whatever, you can adjust the channel A, B, C, D same way. That's it.